Is FFmpeg Project crashing because of the audio-video format 52.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. I recommend the automated system scan for audio-video format 52 to finish your setup in seconds. This is the audio-video format 52, an older iteration of the FFmpeg demuxer responsible for parsing container structures and identifying multiplexed multimedia streams. Its absence prevents proper decoding of early 2010s media formats because the host application cannot resolve container metadata or stream boundaries required for playback or conversion. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. If your software is failing because of audio-video format 52.dll, the internal file mapping for FFmpeg Project is likely corrupted, so reinstalling the current version of your program showing the error will re-register the library and fix the error. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the audio-video format 52 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Because the initial reinstall failed, you must verify the structural integrity of your software, and you should run the repair option within the application setup menu. This forces the system to compare your local DLL file against the official version and replace any data that is found to be truncated or damaged. Why are we doing this? Well, files inside application directories can become corrupted during a failed update, and integrity checks are designed to specifically target and fix these silent file errors. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Do not let a minor runtime error escalate into a total system rebuild by attempting to force install audio-video format 52.dll into directories where it does not natively belong. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. For a fresh review of system maintenance concepts, the recommended tool below includes information related to audio-video format 52. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for audio-video format 52 and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.